my dreams in the back of the car, leaving town, chasing the stars. Radio loud, wind in my hair, no destination, just getting there. Rolling roads beneath my wheels, freedom's the only thing I feel. With every mile I shed my skin, out where the sky and soul begin. Gas station coffee, sunrise glow, tires hum soft where the rivers flow. Old mixtape singing out of key, every note a piece of me. Rolling roads beneath my wheels, freedom's the only thing I feel. With every mile I shed my skin, out where the sky and soul begin. No review regrets, just dust and sun. 1,000 paths, I'll chase each one. No map, no rules, just open skies. The road is mine, and so am I. Falling roads beneath my wheels, freedom's the only thing I feel. Hearts beat loud like thunder drums. I found my truth where the wild wind runs. Salt on my lips, sun in my eyes, waves play rhythms, soft goodbyes. Driving slow by the ocean's bend, chasing light that'll never end. Let's take the long way, windows wide, golden skies on this coastal drive. Hearts in gear, no need to hide. We're living loud with the ocean tide. Footprints fading in rearview dreams, laughing loud over sunbeam streams. Shells and secrets along the shore, every mile makes us feel like more. Let's take the long way, windows wide, golden skies on this coastal drive. Hearts in gear, no need to hide. We're living loud with the ocean tide. echo as the night begins. Lo-fi beats and soul-kissed skin. No maps, no clocks, just you and me, floating free where we're meant to be. Let's take the long way, stars in sight, moonlit waves on this endless ride. Hearts still racing side by side. We're drifting close with the ocean tide.